Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to grade 7B students. Today I'm going to explain the two rules in unit 13. The first one is the relative clauses or the relative pronouns. Here you have only three pronouns, three relative pronouns: who, which, and where. Of course, you know that who for people. We use who for people. Okay, it's used to join two sentences here. Let's look at the first example. This is my friend. He plays tennis. If you want to join these two sentences, you have to delete the repeated word, which is he. You can say, this is my friend who plays tennis, or this is my friend that plays tennis. Okay. Second example, my friend is tall. He plays basketball. If you want to join these two sentences, you can say, my friend who plays basketball is tall. Notice here that we deleted the word he. Okay, so if you put who instead of he, you're going to say, my friend is tall who plays basketball. This is wrong. You have to put who after the word which is referred to here. You can say, my friend who plays basketball is tall, or my friend that plays basketball is tall. Let's look at the other, or the second relative pronoun, which is which. We use which or that for things and animals. Look at the first example here. This is the cat. It ate the fish. If you want to join these two sentences, you can say, this is the cat which ate the fish, or this is the cat that ate the fish. Second example, the cat is white. It ate the fish. You can join them saying, the cat which ate the fish is white, or the cat that ate the fish is white. Okay, so here we can use that for people or for things and animals. Let's look at where. This is the school I learned in it. You can delete the two words at the end, in it, and join with where. This is the school where I learned. Where here refers to places. Can I consider where here as a thing and join with which? Yes. You can say, this is the school which I learned in. Don't delete the word in here. Okay, and we can put it before which. You can say, this is the school in which I learned. That's the end of the first part, or the first rule here. Okay, now we're going to have the second rule. It's so easy for you. It's used to. Used to expresses a habit in the past, to express an action which happened regularly in the past, but doesn't happen now. Let's look at the first example. I used to hide my father's shoes when I was young. This is a habit in the past. It doesn't happen now. Okay. Let's look at the negative form. Didn't use to plus verb 1. I didn't used to study hard in the past, but now I do. But now I study hard. Okay? So here, if you want to make a negative sentence using of used to, you can use didn't used to plus verb 1. And even if you want to make a question, you can use the helping verb did. Did you used to play in the street when you were young? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. If you want to make a complete question, you can say, what did you use to do when you were young? You can say, I used to play in the street, I used to hide my father's shoes, and so on. This is the end of the second rule. Now let's look at some examples or some questions about this rule. Exercise B, choose the correct word. Raymond Airy was the man won the Olympic gold medals. We can use who. Raymond Airy was the man who won 10 Olympic gold medals. Because the man here is a person, so you can join with who. End goal is a ceremony the boys on Pentecost Island take part in. Here we can use which. Good. Third one, a leech is a creature suck blood. A leech is a creature which suck blood. This is good. That's enough here. Let's join these two sentences together. Do as shown in brackets. First one, I went to the town. I was born in that town. In that town here is repeated, so you can join with where. You can say, I went to the town where I was born. Don't write in that town. It's repeated. Second one and the last one, I know Ali. He is a well-known footballer. You can delete the word he or omit it. I know Ali, who is a well-known footballer. Okay? Let's look at number 26. Used to. 26. When I was young, I often walked to school. Use used to. You can say, when I was young, I used to walk to school. I used to walk to school. Used to plus verb 1. Used to plus infinitive. When I was young, I used to walk to school. Okay, that's the end of this lesson. I want you to answer the questions on pages 74, 75, and 76. Okay, these are questions about what I have explained today. Thank you so much. Wish you understand what I said. Bye.